Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how you can get signed in into the University of South Wales. The University of South Wales is a public university in Wales with campuses in Cardiff, Newport and Pontypridd. The University of South Wales offers vocationally focused courses and degrees. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I'm using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now go in for new tab and searching for a southwales.ac.uk and press enter. Here at the official webpage of University of South Wales, at the top section you can see the option of student/staff login. You need to click on it. Now here you can see there are two options, that is student and staff. If you are going to log in with the student, then you need to click on student. But if you are going to log in with the staff, if you are the staff member, then you need to click on staff. As I'm going with a student, you need to click on it. Now here at the login page, you can go in for providing registered email address, phone number, or you also can use your Skype ID if you have registered earlier. So I'm going to provide my email address. Then you need to click on next. You will be redirected to another page. There you need to provide your password. Then click on next. You will get directly logged in into your University of South Wales. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can get logged in into the University of South Wales. Thank you.